tardes y buenas noches desde San Juan, Puerto Rico. We just arrived today in beautiful San Juan, Puerto Rico. We've been in Puerto Rico for several days now, my husband Angel and me, but we just checked in at the gloriously renovated, redecorated, restyled San Juan Marriott and Solaris Resort and Casino. So this is the view. We're starting with the view today because the view is so spectacular. Look at the views of the Atlantic Ocean and the beautiful beaches of Condado, which is one of my favorite neighborhoods in the San Juan metro area. You can see the pool here. A lot of great pool area. We're going to be spending some quality time with the pool, but let's go back inside now and check this out. So we're going to spend a lot of time here having cocktails, enjoying the view, but come inside. Angel, what do you think of the view?
Oh, the view is spectacular.
Okay.
The pool and the ocean, that's great.
Here, hold the phone like this because I think you might be covering hold it like that. There you go.
Okay.
Because I don't want to cover it.
Right now, this thing went in.
Okay. Like that. There we go. So this is the bed area. Beautiful king size bed. Now, as I mentioned, the Marriott here in San Juan has just renovated completely. Spent millions of dollars on renovation. So you can see it's very fresh and clean. I like the style because it is very clean. It's modern. Let me close this door so we don't get the ocean sound interrupting our tour here. So I like the style of the furnishings a lot too. Show them this chair. This is a really nice chair. It's very comfortable, kind of like a modern.
I think you can pull the thing out.
Yeah, this comes out, so that's
Very nice.
good. So yeah, we like the style. Angel, what do you think about the style?
The style is nice. It's very clean. It doesn't have a lot of furniture, so the room looks way bigger than what it actually is. But it is
It's
big.
spacious.
It's a big room.
It's well planned. Good use of space. Has the mini bar, refrigerator, mini fridge here. We brought some extra food here. We bought some sangre boricua, which is parcha, which is passion fruit flavored sangria.
Yeah, I just tried it. It's very good. Very.
So we're
light.
So we're enjoying that. We have the wall-mounted TV. We have my work area here. Come over here, Angel, and show them the beautiful couch here.
This is very cool.
This is really nice. Somebody could sleep here if they wanted to.
Right.
So if we have a fight, I'll sleep on this couch. The bathroom is the other thing I really want to show you because I'm always into seeing hotel bathrooms, and this one I especially like. So come over here because I love clean, modern, freshly designed bathrooms, and this is like brand new. So this would be my dream bathroom at home. So I love how clean it is. I love this lighting because it's kind of indirect, and yet it still gives you a lot of light, and it's flattering, so I look younger than I am if I look in the mirror there.
And the light looks like it's coming from behind the mirror.
Exactly, yeah. And then there's also the recessed lighting up on top here. We got this so you can see yourself, and there's an Angel, maybe you can see him. And then there's a nice big walk-in shower, which is really good. So yeah, I love this. I love the decor. I also love the color scheme here because it's kind of subdued, and so it doesn't distract you. It doesn't overpower from the beautiful view. Oh, and Angel, you want to see Angel wants to show you that he actually hangs up clothes. So this is what some people do when they travel. They'll put their clothes on hangers, even their pants. And some people actually use irons. I don't do any of this, but Angel, my husband, seems to think that this is a good idea. Does that make sense to you that you want to unpack things, hang it up, put it in dresser drawers, and like be able to find it? Oh.
And it comes with 2 bathrooms.
We also have this San Juan Resort and Solaris Casino Marriott logoed bathrobes. So that's good. It has everything we need here. It's a great location. As I said, it's in Condado, which is pretty much my favorite neighborhood in the San Juan area because you can walk to like restaurants and nightlife and shopping. There's really good food around here. We had an apartment in the neighborhood for like 3 years, and we loved having it here. But the newly renovated San Juan Marriott is gorgeous, and we're super happy, super excited to be here for a couple days. So stay tuned for more. Ciao.
Ciao. Yeah, I don't know how to turn it off.
He didn't turn it off.